In this video, we're going to learn how to swap the values of two variables in Python. So if we have a variable x set to 5 and a variable y set to 10, after swapping the values of these two variables, x should be set to 10 and y should be set to 5. We might think we could solve this problem by setting x to y and y to x. This looks like it would work, but if we actually print out x and y, after doing this, we're going to find it doesn't work. So we'll save this and run our program, and we get that x is 10 and y is 10. The problem is these statements are executing one after the other. So after this statement here, we're going to have assigned the value of y to x. The value of y is 10. So after this statement, x will be 10 and y will be 10. And here, we'll just assign the value of x, which is 10, to y, which is already 10. What we really want to do here is assign the old value of x to y. We've lost the old value of x though by assigning the value of y to x here. So a common solution to this problem in many programming languages is to use what's called a temporary variable. So before we lose the old value of x, we could store it into this variable here called old x. Then what we'll do is down here assign to y that old x value. Now old x will be 5. And when we assign old x to y, y will be assigned the value 5. We can save this, run our program, and now the swap is actually working. We get x is 10 and y is 5. Oftentimes we call this a temp variable, and we actually call the variable itself temp. We could use this variable name, save it, run it, and it's going to work the same way. In many languages, using a temp variable is the standard way to perform a swap. In Python though, we're given an even better way. We can use what's called tuple assignment, or sometimes multiple assignment. We can say x, y is equal to y, x. We can save this, run our program, and the swap works. So what's going on here is again what's often called multiple assignment or tuple assignment. And basically the way it works is that these expressions here are evaluated first. So before any assignments happen, y is going to evaluate to 10 and x is going to evaluate to 5. Then the assignments are going to happen. So x will be assigned 10, y will be assigned 5. And we'll have swapped the values of x and y. And so that's how we can swap the values of two variables in Python. Check out portfoliocourses.com, where we'll help you build a portfolio that will impress employers.